All right, so people, welcome again. We have the featured matchup at this moment for the first day in the match in game week 13, which is Waterhouse versus Harbour. I think this is a big match for the weekend. So we have the starting lineup with us right now. We have in goal Glenroy Samuels, Auden Harding, Ajay Talbot, Gavin Burton, Trey Bennett. This is the Harbour lineup, as you can see. Romain Birkenbridge, Chidalu Chekomeka, Casimir Pearsley, Omar Thompson, David Reed, Andre Fagan. For the Waterhouse warm-up now, for the Waterhouse lineup, we have Kemar Foster in goal, Javier Bryan, leading goal scorer for them so far this season, Andre Fletcher, Kenley Deacon, Damian Binns, Keith Simpson, Denardo Thomas, Andre Smith, Jaime Dorman, Shamari Dallas, Shemar Booth. So these are the lineup for the two teams. This is a featured matchup. Certainly Harbour, who is in a really bad state at this moment, looking to bounce back. Waterhouse kind of fairly inconsistent, searching for consistency, but they're still in a good position so far in the table. But Harbour lingering in around the relegation zone. I do think they want to come out of that battle. Let's see if Ludlow is going to bring nothing to the table this evening. So certainly we're going to move into the game, people. So best up on yourself. Please do enjoy this. Still a small little something. Enjoy it, people. So big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. We're here every time. Boom.
reach them now. Start slingshot and I beat them so. Any seed where you sow that every massacre. I saw dancing near them. Dominant that take the whole street. They catch the new dance tougher than I can't breathe them.
Bop it, 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 bop it.
All right, so it's full-time, people. Guess what? We're gonna hear from. We're gonna jump into the interviews, man of the match interviews, also from both coaches. Full-time, it is Waterhouse 2, Harbour 1. Man of the match will be Fletcher, Andre Fletcher. We're gonna listen from Andre Fletcher and hear what he has to say about it. So we're gonna jump into that immediately before we get into the team breakdown. All right, Fletcher, brilliant performance tonight from you. And your team also getting the 3 points. First of all, tell us how you feel about the game, about the win.
Well, first I have to congrats my team.
Yeah.
I think it's a great win for us today. I think we really deserve it, and we came tonight and we get the 3 points.
From you, what do you think about your contribution tonight? How hard you have been working so far this season?
Well, I've been working very hard in training, so I have to just execute in game, and I did that tonight.
What should the supporters expect from Andre Fletcher this season?
Well, they should expect a lot, many more goal, assists, and all to contribute towards the team.
Yeah, I know that last season you made a move and things didn't work out well, but you're coming back in Waterhouse now and you're looking fresh, looking sharp. So far, how do you think your season is going so far?
Well, it's going good for me. It's going great, I should say. It's going great for me. I've been putting a whole lot of work, so I have to just execute and game there, and I did that.
Do you feel the vibe in the camp that this is Waterhouse season, this season is Waterhouse season?
Yes, most definitely. We've been working and there's a great vibes, good vibes in the camp, so we have to just keep it positive and move forward.
And your goal contributions have been significant over the last couple of match days. What's that down to?
Well, it's down to great things. I've been putting a whole lot of work in training, so as I said, I have to just execute in game, and I did that.
And your teammate Javian, he's now level with the leader Justin. They both have 9. How important is it for both yourself and Javian to continue to contribute the goals for Waterhouse?
Well, Javian, great player. I think he should continue to work hard. Me and him should work hard, same way in training, and keep that combination. And it's just executing game, both of us.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, man.
Well done, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So there we hear from the player of the match, Andre Fletcher. I'm going to listen to the coaches now. Both assistant coach will be here. So take and let's see what they have to say about this. Coach, disappointing results tonight. First of all, tell us what you think went wrong for the team.
Same thing going wrong every game. Keep giving up goals, keep handing people goals. I mean, the first goal is just very bad as a team, as a whole, as an individual. We can't keep making these mistakes. And most of the goals that we have conceded so far is we handing. I've not seen a team possess the ball, break our defense down and tap the ball in. I've not seen that. The 3 goals we gave up against Tivoli were 3 individual mistakes. We gave up 2 against Montego Bay, was individual again. And then today again, we're counter-attacking, got the ball to cross the ball to Omar. So we didn't do that. Waterhouse win the ball and they counter-attack us and scored. So that has been our thing all season.
You guys break even a brilliant goal from my perspective. You think at that point in time you guys could have rallied to get something going?
I think Waterhouse, what they did, they applied the pressure right away. So for 5-6 minutes we were defending and then the game went back to normal. But as I'm saying, if you're in possession going, we have to make the right decisions, because when you make a poor decision like that, I mean, your team is attacking, so that means the team is open. You lose the ball, it's 2v3, 4v3, it's anybody's game there.
So from your perspective, it's most individual mistakes that have cost you guys?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I was counting the other day with Coach Bernard. I was saying that, Coach, you know, most of our goals that we give up is individual mistakes. We've been giving up. We gave up 20 goals now. I mean, we scored 15 goals, which is good. We are scoring goals, but we keep giving up goals. And if that's the case, then we have to try to plan to outscore teams. But we have to fix it, because 9 points from 11 games, that's not Harbour View. I've been around this club for majority of my life. I've grown up through this club. And then to get in these results, I'm not used to this. I mean, we as coaching staff, we have to continue work, because the moment that my players see that we are holding our heads down, they're going to feed off that, and the players feed off the energy of the coach. So we have to continue to let them believe in themselves, keep them motivated, and then we have to just continue to play, because this is gone now. We can't do anything about that. We have 2 more games to make up the round. I think we can get 6 points. They are winnable games. Don't be holding on. Treasure Beach are winnable games. They're 2 good teams, but the approach right now is to get them mentally focused and ready.
You think that a win can really kickstart the season as well you wanted to?
I mean, the win against Lima did a lot for us, but keep in mind we have a couple of injuries. We lost Ajuma today, we lost Bradford today. I mean, Jones is just coming from a long injury, so we have a couple important players that didn't take part today, which, you know, because Ajuma have 2 goals already, Bradford have 6 goals, that's 8 goals they lose already. I mean, so it's difficult.
A lot of young players in the squad. I think that's one of the reasons why it's taking so long for the season to kick off as they want it to.
I wouldn't just say young, because you can be young and experienced. I think it's inexperience from the younger players right now. They have to come with a mindset in which they want to learn and try to adapt to the situation and just feed off the coaches. I mean, the coaching staff have been doing brilliantly from my perspective, others' perspective. If you're at the training ground, you see the work that we put in. It's just not carrying over. So we have to take a different approach in which and how we want to get the players to be ready, mentally focused. But it's all mental at the moment.
Do you think the transfer market is somewhere that you need to pursue in order to strengthen the team to be able to get to where you want to be?
It's a part of life. I mean, if you're not performing well, then you have to look replacement. So, I mean, Coach and I and the rest of the staff would have to sit and analyze the squad and see what improvement. I mean, we're scoring goals. That is very obvious. You know, we played, 10 games, 11 games, we scored 15 goals. That is not bad. I mean, so that means you're averaging a goal a game or 1 point something a game. This defending is a problem. And when I say defending, I'm not just talking about my centre backs. I'm talking about the entire team, how we defend. So if we don't defend as a unit, then it's going to be difficult to win games. All right, thanks.
All right, so the coaches, coaches have said it. Harbour View finishing their defensive issues. A lot of fragilities in the defense. That's the problem they're having. Waterhouse, pretty content in what they're doing so far. I think that they're doing fairly well. Coach believe that they just need to sharpen up on certain areas, specifically in the midfield. Javian Bryan consistently continues his goal scoring streak. Andre Fletcher was in great form right now. So the team, Waterhouse is looking good, but another loss for Harbour View, getting a lot more troublesome for them, because the more they lose, harder it becomes for them to crawl over the hurdle, and it's becoming really, really difficult. So at full time, people, it's 2-1 to Waterhouse. Harbour View, another loss here, and Waterhouse find themselves just getting a little bit more consistency. That's something that they really need to work on. For me personally, I think it was a very good game, really, really good game of football. When you look in context, you saw some moments of brilliance, it's individual brilliance, it's a good football, it's a good both teams trying to break down each other. I think the game was mostly dominated by Waterhouse throughout the 90 minutes. I do think there's a lot of areas that Harbour View need to work on in the final third. Not creating a lot of chance and not decisive chance. Even the goal that they scored today was just basically a Waterhouse defender taking a bit too long on the ball and get picked, and just a turnover in front of their defense, and Harbour View capitalized on it. But in total, they're not creating sufficient chances. But when you look at their defensive partner, they're leaking, so a lot of individual errors, and you can't win games with those type of individual errors. And people would say those are schoolboy errors, but It's one to look at, definitely. We'll see how that one panned out. Anyways, people, this is my recap of the game of match day, the featured game, Harbourview versus Waterhouse. The game ended Harbourview 1, Waterhouse 2. Brilliant performance from Waterhouse again, and brilliant performance from Andre Fletcher, man of the match. Another goal for the joint leading goal scorer, Javian Brown. Another loss for Harbourview. And Ludlow Bernard. Big up on yourself, people. Let's see how this one go. Hit the like button. Big up.